guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. In this video I am going to do a really interesting topic. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So from the title, you know, in this particular video I am going to tell you the lipsticks which I don't like that much. And if you are wondering about my makeup look, I have already done it and uploaded it on my Instagram, so you can go and check this look out in my Instagram account. You should follow me on my Instagram for some personal updates, and also we can talk one-on-one on Instagram. Now without blabbering any more, let's get started with the videos. So I saw this particular video on Deepti Desikan's channel. She was the one who did it for the first time. Like, I saw her doing it, so I thought, why not? It's a really great idea to tell you the lipsticks which I don't like that much, which don't do anything for me. So I have couple of them, even I have written their names as well. So if you are interested, go ahead, subscribe and like this particular video. And I am doing this video so that you don't have to go and purchase these lipsticks. So I'm gonna save your time and your precious valuable money. Chalo. Now let's start with a brand which I like, but then there are some lipsticks from this particular brand which I dislike. So the very first one is this one. This is the Blue Heaven, a matte lip color. And I have nothing against the shade. The shade range is really good. But my only point is, because it only retails for 110 rupees. The problem with this is that it makes my lips very chapped, and whenever I apply it, it does not apply evenly. It is also streaky. So if you want to buy this one, I would not recommend you. It's better you buy Blue Heaven's transfer proof lipstick. Those are really good. Even one more lipstick was there. I have already swatched them. So that lipstick is really good. It feels very heavy. It feels as if I have applied something. So yeah, I would not recommend you using this particular lipstick. Please give it a pass. Don't waste your money. Ahead, it is again one more lipstick from Blue Heaven Cosmetics only. This is their new launch. This is the Blue Heaven special matte lipstick. So I got 3 or 4 of them to review. The review is still not up, so it will be up. But hear me out, the shades and everything is really good. Like, look at the shade, it looks so pretty. I mean, it looks super duper good. If you can see here, the shade looks so pretty. But again, my only point is it retails for 65 rupees. I know many of you will say that in 65 rupees you can't complain. But the only thing is, again, it becomes so heavy. My lips feel cracked, and you know, it just emphasizes on my fine lines of lips. So that's why I'm not a very big fan of this particular lipstick. So please, if you are thinking to buy this, please don't buy it, because aapko bhi nahi achhi lagegi. You are just going to waste your money on this lipstick. I never ever liked this lipstick, so I really wanted to talk about this one. This is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro lipstick. Now this was the old packaging. I also had the new packaging. I think I have given it away because I didn't like the formula. Now this is not very old, but you can see the lipstick and the liquid, the oil, it's been separated, if you can see. Yeah, and these are not even very affordable. These are expensive. You can see the color and everything is really pretty, but then the formula, I really don't like the formula on this one particularly. So yeah, if you ask me, I would recommend you to give a pass, because again, it has very less pigmentation. What I feel is, when I apply it on the lips, my lips don't look very good. I feel that it is patchy from some places, and again, it is not at all long lasting. So that is why I don't recommend this lipstick to you guys. You must have seen, you have never seen me applying this lipstick, and this is very like 2 years ago I bought it, and recently I bought one more from the new collection, but then I did not like that as well. So that is that. Forward, it is another lipstick by Faces. This is this particular lipstick. This is the Ultime Pro Long Wear Matte lipstick. Now they say matte, and let me show you. I don't know from which angle is it matte. This one, it has a creamy glossy finish, like, yeah, and it does not even look any pigmentation. If you have pigmented lips, this is not going to hide your pigmentation. It's not at all that pigmented, and then it is very sheer, and it also has the shine. So I don't know how they are calling it a matte lipstick. This is matte lipstick where there is no shine. In fact, I ate something, that's why maybe a little bit of feathering is there, but then this is proper matte lipstick. This is not at all matte. It does not stay properly. It gives me a shine on my lips, which I am not a very big fan of. So yeah, you can give this lipstick a pass, because nothing special. And you know, faces, they used to give this lipstick for free, and seriously I don't like the next one, which is Nykaa's I don't know, I think Nykaa launched it recently, only in this year only. This is the Nykaa Creamy Matte Lipstick. If you can see, shades are amazing, bomb, very good. But the lipstick itself is I am not very big fan of these lipsticks, because it does not stay for a long time on your lips, and again it transfers a lot. So I don't know, like if you ask me, if you are a college girl, you can wear this, but then if you want some lipstick to stay on your lips, it is not like that. And yeah, I know it is again very affordable, but then if this lipstick is not serving my purpose, like what I want from a lipstick, so I don't think so you should go ahead and buy these, because if you're not satisfied, then what's the use of purchasing these lipstick. So that's why I am not. Now moving forward, one lipstick which I am not at all impressed with is this one. This is the Lakme Absolute 3D Matte Lipstick. Now the color and everything is really good. It's in the shade Romeo Red, I think. Yeah, it is in the shade Romeo Red. Color is so pretty. If you will see, the color is so pretty. Now it is expensive. It is more expensive than the Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. Now Lakme makes one of the best lipsticks in India. Now I really like the Primer Plus Matte range, because it is a very affordable, as well as it is very long lasting. But if we talk about this one, this is not even affordable, and it is long lasting. So bhool jao, it's like on the similar line. So why should I pay more for this particular lipstick? I will buy the Primer Plus Matte one. That is the best. Till date, that is the best of Lakme. One more lipstick which I don't have it right now because I have given it away was from the Lakme range, Matte Melt range. I am so disgusted by the range. I have nothing regarding the brand, because Primer Plus Matte is one of the best lipsticks which I have ever used. So this is no different. And then Matte Melt also I am not a very big fan of, because it makes my lips so crumbly, man. I mean, colors and everything is really good, but then if my lips are crumbly, really like the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse, really like these as well. But this one and the Matte Melt is ahead towards the very affordable range, which is the LA18 Colourpops Matte. Now they say it is a matte lipstick, but it's not. And one more thing which I don't like about their lipstick is that the shade which they show, they don't give the shade exact shade. Now this had to be Rust Rage. So if you can see, this is the color. So is this a rust color? Is this rust color? I don't know. I mean, according to me it's not a rust color, but I don't know from where they have given this a rust name. So again, not long lasting, just like a lip balm. It's better to get a lip balm and a good lipstick instead of going for this one. Okay, I used to use LA18 when I was in college, because at that time there wasn't many options, but right now you have so many options in affordable price range, so you must try those. Swiss Beauty lipsticks are much better than these ones, but this is, I'm really not big fan. It feels as if I am getting so tired in speaking. Now don't hate me for the next lipstick, but seriously I'm not a very big fan of this lipstick as well. This is the Maybelline New York Sensational Superstay Matte Ink. Now Maybelline is one of the brands which makes really good lipsticks. I love all of their lipsticks. Right now the Sensational Matte Lipstick which just launched, and I am also very big fan of creamy mattes. I'm also very big fan of the crayon lipsticks, but then this is very good. Shade wise, bomb. Everything is bomb. But this lipstick is like, when you are applying it, it feels as if you are applying a glue. Okay, now the color is really pretty. It just makes your lips all the more dry, all the more chapped, and when you are talking you can feel a crack from here. So I don't know, it is so expensive. Again, 600, I think 650. Yeah, 650. So I expected little bit more comfortable formula, because this is not at all comfortable. The one which I am wearing is by L'Oreal, and I have mixed the Lakme this particular lipstick, they are really comfortable, but this one is not at all comfortable. So I will not recommend you. I know many people, they love this for the longevity, but my point is I can't wear this for longer hours. My lips, they feel dead. So sorry, I don't use it that much. Left. Now I'll talk about this one. This is the Max Factor lipstick. Now can you see the halat of this lipstick? I mean, just look at it. Packaging wise, it's pathetic. If you see the Maybelline one, it is also very old, okay, and this is a new purchase, you can see. So I don't know, I mean, what is this? Even the Lakme lipsticks, the packaging is so pretty. Look at it, it is already faded. The problem with this lipstick is the formula is good, but then the shade range sucks a lot. So do not buy this unless you find your own matching shade. Now, this shade is such a nude color. It just makes my lips so, it makes me so washed out. I really don't like using this one, and the formula on this one is pretty similar to the Miss Claire liquid lipstick. So why to pay so much? I think it retails for $7.50. Yeah, it retails for $7.50. So why to pay $7.50 when you can get a pretty nice lipstick? One more thing which I want to tell you, that it is manufactured on 2018. So you see what Nykaa has done here. I bought this lipstick from Nykaa. So in 2018 it was manufactured, and they are selling it into 2020 when Max Factor released in India. So please stay away, please don't buy these lipsticks. The last one is by the Purple. Now this is how it looks like. Now the shade range is to die for. Even this particular shade is so pretty. The problem with this is when you apply it on your hand, it feels so creamy, so good texture. Even on your lips also, it feels very good initially when you apply it, but once you have applied it, your lips feel dead. And I'm not such a person who will like the lipstick to, you know, stick to their lips and not able to remove the lipstick. And also when I'm talking, it is just making like the conversation tougher for me, because all my fine lines, it just separates from that place. So that is why I am not a very big fan of these lipsticks. I don't use it that much. If you can see, I had 3 of them, but I seldom use them. But the color is really those were the lipsticks which I wanted to talk about. There were many lipsticks also, but if you guys want me to make a part 2, I'm more than happy to make a part 2 of this particular video. Now please don't, if you're investing your money in these of the lipsticks, so please go and try first and then you buy these lipsticks, okay? So yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comment section below which is the one lipstick which you don't like. I will be more than happy to know. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.